Welcome back. We're doing it again, another episode of our ongoing cocktail series here at Alley 26 for Mixology at Home. We're doing a drink now we call Tall Grass, which is a simple riff on a Caipirinha. A Caipirinha, which comes with cachaça, simple syrup, and limes, generally speaking. This is going to be cachaça, our lemongrass syrup, and lemons instead of limes. Now, cachaça, as you probably already know, is a type of rum. It's Brazilian sugarcane rum. It's more closely, it's kind of a rough cousin of rum agricole. So they use cane juice as well instead of molasses like they do through most of the rest of the world. But it's a distinctly different kind of rum as far as the resultant product than you will get in the Martinique and those French islands that make rum agricole. So it's usually got a lot of funk and a lot of flavor, but we don't get a lot of them here in America, but the ones I've had kind of vary all over the map in flavor profile. So it's a real fun spirit to play with, or at least to seek out, because you almost never know what you're going to get in the flavor profile, which is kind of fun. So we're going to take a half a lemon and then a half an ounce of our syrup. Now, anytime you get one of our syrups, as you know, make sure that you turn it around. This one particularly has a little lemongrass bits kind of throughout, so you want to make sure those are nice and integrated. Half an ounce of that syrup, and then muddle. Just kind of trying to get the juice expressed from the fruit. You're not really getting a long-term commitment or a long-term fight with it, you know. That's more than enough to muddle. And then, of course, last but certainly not least, the booze. So we're going to do a couple ounces of cachaça. And then here's the fun part. Now, unlike most of our drinks, which we're either stirring or we're shaking and straining, or we're even straining onto fresh ice, this time we're going to do none of that. We're just going to shake it fairly aggressively, because the good shake is going to extract the oils from the skin, and it's going to beat those ice cubes up a bit. And it makes it really easy to serve because you're just shaking and pouring. So there it is, Tall Grass.